My neighbor bought a Geely EV300 pure electric car. I've been introducing it to my friends. The power battery of this car is very good, but I can't say how good it is. Please think about what aspects should we to introduce the performance of the power battery. In this class, we will learn how to explain the performance of power batteries. The parameters that can explain the performance of car batteries mainly include the following aspects, including rated RATED power rated capacity, actual capacity energy range, charging and discharging efficiency, self-discharge rate, safety performance, and so on. RATED voltage is also called nominal voltage. It refers to the standard voltage, the recognized standard voltage, measured in volts. According to the safety requirements of electric vehicles, National Standard GBT 18384.12015 DC, voltage of power battery can be designed between 60 and 1500 volts. Pay attention to the withstand voltage of high voltage components, universality and interchangeability of power batteries. National Standard Technical Specification 4 voltage grades of EV high voltage system. It is recommended to use the rated voltages of 144 volts, 288 volts, 320 volts, 346 volts, 400 volts, and 576 volts are rated. Voltage can be appropriately adjusted according to actual needs. Power and specific power. The power of a battery refers to the energy that the battery can output in a unit time. It is measured in watts or kilowatts. Specific power. It's the power per unit mass or unit volume of the battery. Its unit is watts per kilogram or watts per liter. The higher the specific power of the battery, the same volume or weight of battery pack can discharge with greater current. Therefore, the specific power of the battery is also an important indicator to evaluate battery performance. Capacity, theoretical capacity. Assuming that all electrode-active substances all participate in the electrochemical reaction, the amount of electricity it can provide. This is the highest theoretical value calculated based on Faraday's law. Rated capacity at 25 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius. It's the electricity released by a fully charged battery, discharged to the end voltage at the rated current. It is measured in amperes. It represents the ability of the battery to work continuously. The actual capacity is discharged under actual working conditions, the actual amount of electricity the battery can. Efficiency, capacity. Efficiency is the ratio of the output capacity when discharging and the input capacity during charging. Energy efficiency, also known as power efficiency. It refers to ratio of the energy output when the battery is discharged and the energy input during charging. Energy is equal to the product of the capacity of the battery and the average working voltage of the battery. The energy of the battery reflects the battery's ability to do work. It affects the range of electric vehicles. Take a ternary lithium battery pack as an example. The total capacity is 346 volts times 150 ampere hours equals 51.9 kilowatts. Also known as the total power of the battery pack is 51.9 kilowatt-hours. Rated energy is the battery pack's output energy. When fully charged, it is usually expressed in kilowatt-hours, also called the total power. Theoretical capacity, assuming that the discharge process is always in balance. Its discharge voltage remains the electromotive force value. The actual capacity refers to the actual energy output during battery discharge. Specific energy refers to the energy output per unit mass. The specific energy of a battery is also called energy density. It is measured in kilowatt hours per kilogram. It reflects the manufacturing level of the battery. Range. The cruising range refers to the maximum mileage that a new energy vehicle can travel. The larger the total energy of the power battery, the stronger the endurance. Factors affecting the cruising range: the capacity of power, battery environmental temperature, driving conditions and driving habits, and driving motor efficiency. The factors that have a greater impact: environmental temperature, driving conditions and driving habits, the actual capacity of the battery, charging and discharging efficiency, and discharge depth. Charging and discharging efficiency. It refers to the ratio of the charge released and the charge that is charged. The higher the charging and discharging efficiency, the higher the battery's energy conversion efficiency. Charging efficiency mainly depends on the battery's own characteristics and the size of the charging current. Currently on the market, ternary lithium batteries is higher than that of lithium iron phosphate batteries. Therefore, it is more competitive. Discharge depth is a measure of the degree of discharge. It is the percentage of discharge capacity to total discharge capacity. Cycle life battery. Cycle life is the number of times the battery is charged and discharged. When the battery capacity drops to 80% of its rated capacity, the cycle life of the battery is related to the type of battery, the charging and discharging current, the battery's working environment, and discharge depth. The battery life is greatly affected by environmental factors. Some factors can be controlled by the power battery management system. Therefore, the control strategy of the power battery management system and control accuracy become another factor in improving battery life. Safety performance. Power battery is one of the core components of new energy vehicles. Its safety is related to the safety of the whole vehicle. Before each model of power battery is installed, must undergo strict and standardized safety tests. According to the requirements of National Standard GBT 3146732015, before the power battery is installed, must pass 16 safety tests, including vibration mechanical impact, simulated collision extrusion, seawater immersion, short circuit protection, over temperature protection, overcharge protection. Now we have learned the performance parameters of power batteries. What performance parameters can we use to introduce to your friends and family to introduce his EV300 pure electric vehicle right? Technology is advancing. The performance of power batteries in the future will also be better and better. We have learned how to introduce the performance parameters of power batteries, indicating a direction for how to develop power batteries with better performance, and pointed out the direction. After class, please think about when the vehicle is fully charged, why the range in winter is shorter than in summer?